To implement CAG 2.1 Success Criteria 1.2.8 in code, you can follow these steps with examples. Provide a transcript for audio content. Example, for an audio clip, you can provide a transcript that can be read by a screen reader. The transcript should include all spoken words, sound effects, and music cues. Provide captions for video content. Example, for a video clip, you can provide captions that can be turned on and off by the user. The captions should include all spoken words, sound effects, and music cues. Provide audio descriptions for visual content. Example, for a video clip that includes visual elements, you can provide audio descriptions that can be turned on and off by the user. The audio descriptions should describe all important visual elements, such as actions, expressions, and scene changes. Use HTML5 elements. Example, you can use HTML5 elements, such as and, to provide audio and video content, respectively. This makes it easier for screen readers to understand the content and provides a better user experience. Use ARIA attributes. Example, you can use ARIA attributes, such as ARIA describe B and ARIA label B, to associate transcripts, captions, and audio descriptions with the corresponding audio and video content. By following these steps, you can ensure that your audio and video content is accessible to users with disabilities and meets the requirements of CAG 2.1 Success Criteria 1.2.8.